Hello everyone, welcome to my online geography class KSK Geography. As you can see here, we are going to discuss about the river marking. You know, according to your ICSE board exam, the river line, it will be already marked on the given map. You just need to identify the river line, and here the basic things you need to remember. The river line, it should be from river source to the river mouth, but the naming should be there on Indian part. If I have to say the Indian rivers, you according to your syllabus divide it in different groups, right? Indus rivers along with the tributary, that is Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Satluj. And next you will see the Ganga river. Under the Ganga river, it will be Yamuna, Chambal, Betwa, Son, Damodar, Gomti, Ghargara, Gandak and Kosi. And Brahmaputra river, it will be separate. So in that way, if you will divide, it will be easy for you. Next one, the South Indian rivers, that is Narmada, Tapti, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and Tungabhadra. If you will divide those rivers in that group, so it will be easy for you to remember. Now let's start the river marking one by one. So river you need to mark with blue color, that you know. Now Indus river, where is the Indus river? That you know, that is the Indus river. So Indus river, it should start outside India, and along with the river line it should go. Make sure the river line, it will be there one single line and very narrow line. So for that, from first to last you need to mark, and you need to mark all the line like this. But make sure the river name, it should be there on Indian part. Here you need to write Indus river. That is the Indus rivers. And remember, Indus rivers having 5 tributaries. What are those? Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Satluj. And that it will be there in the same sequence. Now how to remember the sequence? There's a lot of confusion, and every year I can see so many students, they are making mistakes to remember in the sequence. As a result, they are making wrong marking on exam and they are losing the marks. So I am giving you one simple sentence. You need to remember the sentence. What are the sentence? That is, interesting jellyfish consciously roam beneath sea. I repeat, interesting jellyfish consciously roam beneath sea. So interesting means Indus, jellyfish Jhelum, consciously Chenab, roaming Ravi, beneath Beas and sea Satluj. If you remember this sentence, now it will become easy. Now first one is the Indus, next one, that it will be there Jhelum like this. So it will go, it will start from India and it will finish with the Indus rivers, that is Jhelum. Next one, Chenab. If you remember the sentence and if you remember the sequence, then it will be easy. Next one is the Chenab, right? The consciously. So Chenab it will be starting from India and it will finish it here. Next one, that is Ravi, means roam. Roaming means Ravi. So it will start from here below the Chenab, right? And it will finish with the Jhelum river, right? Next one, that is the beneath, means Beas. So it will start from here, Indian part like this, just the border of India, and it will go like this and it will finish it over the Jhelum river. Then the last one is the Satluj. Again, Satluj it will start like outside India and it will finish within India along with the Beas river like this. So interesting jellyfish consciously roam beneath sea. If you remember that sequence, that river marking for Indus rivers and along with the tributaries, it will be very easy. Now let's go for the another one, that is the rivers, Ganga rivers and Brahmaputra rivers. So let's do with the Brahmaputra river first. Brahmaputra river, that is above the Nepal or above the Himalayan mountain. So it will start from there and it will go like this, and after coming in the Arunachal Pradesh part where the Himalayan mountains ends, so it will turn and it will come inside India at first over Arunachal Pradesh, and then it will go over the Assam, and then it will enter in Bangladesh, and you need to finish it over the Bay of Bengal, right? So from here to here you need to mark. Remember, the naming should be there on Indian part. So Brahmaputra, you can write it over this place, right? That is a good space to write Brahmaputra. So that's it per Brahmaputra river. Now next we will do with the Ganga river. The Ganga river is the main river. Remember the Ganga river, this line is for Ganga river. It will start the longest line, right, and it will go along with that, and it will go over the West Bengal, and it will finish in the Bay of Bengal. This one is the Ganga river. Now right side, that it will be Yamuna. So this one is the Yamuna river, right? So it will start and it will join the Ganga river over Allahabad. Next, that is Chambal. These are the right hand tributaries. The Yamuna, this one is the Chambal, this one is the Chambal, next one is the Betwa. If you will see the anti-clockwise, Ganga, Yamuna, Chambal, Betwa. The next one is the Son. Son, remember that river you need to mark the upper line only. There is a two line you can see, only upper line for Son. And the Damodar, remember here, the over the West Bengal part, so that it will be there for Damodar river. Next one, that's left hand side. If you will see the clockwise, that it will be Gomti, Ghargara, Gandak, Kosi. So first line after Ganga, next one is the Gomti, next one is the Ghargara, right, like this. Next one is the Gandak, like this, and last one is the Kosi, like this. It looks like 7, right? So how to remember the sequence? Right? So here also I have some easy tricks to remember. So how to remember the sequence? One easy sentence. The sentence is Yami gave Gopi ghee Gandak company. Now how to remember those things? First one, the Yami gave Gopi ghee Gandak company. So if you remember those things as per the first initial, you can remember the sequence very easily. Now let's talk about the rivers which are coming from the south and joining the Ganga river. Now what? It starts with the Chambal, Betwa, Son, Damodar. So here also I have one interesting sentence. The sentence is charming bird, shore, dancing, drizzling sky. So the charming Chambal, birds, Betwa, shore, Son, and dancing Damodar. If you remember this sentence, again it will be easy for you. So what are the two sentences? Yami gave Gopi ghee Gandak company, and charming birds, shore, dancing, drizzling sky. These are the things you need to remember for Ganga river. Next, we will start with the another part, that is the South Indian rivers. Remember, South Indian rivers divided into two categories, that is western flowing and eastern flowing. There are two rivers, those are the western flowing. What are those? Narmada and Tapi. Those are the two rivers are there, Narmada and Tapi. Those are going in the Arabian Sea. So how will mark? Remember, Narmada and Tapi you have done for the mountains Satpura and Bindas, right? So first upper line is the Narmada, right? Narmada, and lower line is for Tapi. Now sometimes students are getting confused which one is the Narmada, which one is the Tapi. Remember the alphabets, that Narmada, the alphabet N, it comes first and then T. So at first there will be Narmada, and next one it will be T. N comes first before T. So Narmada and Tapi. Now let's talk about the eastern flowing South Indian rivers. What are those? Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, and Tungabhadra. Although the Tungabhadra is a tributary of Krishna river. So let's start with Mahanadi. So Mahanadi is the first one, right? So the first one is the Mahanadi. Next one, Godavari, Mahanadi, Godavari. Next one is the Krishna, upper one is the Krishna, lower one you don't need to mark it now, that is for Tungabhadra, that I will do later on. And the last one is the Kaveri. Remember Kaveri, it will be like this, and the red portion, this one is the Tungabhadra. Now here also I have one easy sentence for you that you will not forget the sequence. The sentence is Mahatma Gandhi Krishna Kinare. Mahatma Gandhi Krishna Kinare. So Mahatma means Mahanadi, Gandhi means Godavari, Krishna means Krishna, and Kinare means Kaveri. So Mahatma Gandhi Krishna Kinare. If you remember that sequence, again this river marking, it will be easy. And just before finishing that video, I am just repeating those sentences again. For Indus rivers, interesting jellyfish consciously roam beneath sea. For Ganga river, the rivers which are coming from the northern side, So the sentence is Yami gave Gopi ghee Gandak company. And the rivers which are coming from the south, that it will be charming birds showed dancing drizzling skies. South Indian rivers eastern flowing, that is Mahatma Gandhi Krishna Kinare. That's it for the river marking. And for more features regarding map work, you need to like, share and subscribe my channel. We'll meet you soon in our next video. Thank you very much.